Alright, class. Today we will. Ew, that is disgusting. Definitely, boom. You should know that burping with a comment suicide is against the law, and you have to be 18 to burp. You're only 10 years old. You're suspended for 1 week. Besides, I don't want you to in school anyway. Go home now while I call your parents. Oh, and speaking of which, I am going to tell Miguel and Cat Square about this when we get home. You are in dead meat. Deathly boom. I cannot believe you're burping in class and cause her to commit suicide and get suspended for 2 weeks. That's so it. You're grounded for 100 triple infinity. That means no more Chuck E. Cheeses, no Peter Piper pizza, no baby shows, no advice, no YouTube, no Go Animates, and no fun of any kind. Go upstairs to your room and stay there. Your wiggly awkward punishment is over. Wah 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 wah.